Hi, this is Mobile Max. It's an 18 Honda Civic LX. I just changed the oil on. Here's the safety release for the hood right here. Here's the relation. It's almost to the left of the middle and the latch on the hood. The oil and filter are easy to take out. It has a metal oil filter. 17 millimeter socket takes out the drain plug. It's real simple. I put like 5 quarts of oil in it, but I think they say it's supposed to take like 4.5, but I always put a little more in. The alternator and battery are excellent. It has 69,000 miles on it. I rotated the tires. It's running great. Nice transportation car. Real simple to change the oil. $69,000. Real easy to reset the oil service light too. You just push the big button on the right. Real simple. Everything real simple on this car. 2018 Honda Civic LX. There's like a bunch of different models. When I went to get the oil at AutoZone, they wanted to know LX, DX, turbocharged. They had a lot of different inclinations of this car, but this is an LX and it's a non-turbo. Anyway, 18 Honda Civic LX, real simple to do the oil and filter. Just need a 17 millimeter socket and an oil wrench, and you're in business. Alright, this is Mobile Max signing off. Thank you.